In this video I'll show you how to turn your default and boring Home Assistant cards into animated and modern-looking cards that feel alive on your dashboard. I'll keep everything as simple as possible, and you can download all of these animated cards completely free. You will find the links in the description. What makes these cards special is that the animations are actually smart. I built them so you can control exactly how and when the animation happens. It can be triggered by an entity state or even by a numeric value from any sensor you have. For example, this is a smart plug card. When the plug is on, the icon lights up, but it only starts to glow when power is actually being drawn. All of the cards I share will have this kind of logic, and you get to decide what happens and when. Let's start with the requirements, which are actually very simple. You will need the mushroom cards and themes, which we'll use as the base card. And you will need the card mod integration to handle the custom animations. You can install these integrations from HACS, which is the Home Assistant community store. Links will be in the description too. Once you have those installed, we can jump in and start transforming your Home Assistant cards. Let's build a card together. We'll start with a simple example, like a smart plug that is connected to a washing machine. First, it's recommended to set the mushroom theme to the view you're creating the cards in. Next, click Add Card and search for mushroom. Add a mushroom entity card. Fill in the basic info for the card. Select the smart plug entity, pick an icon, and choose a color. Make sure you set an actual color, because that's what the card mod will use later on. Just don't use primary or accent as a color, as it won't work here. Next, it's time to animate the card. Go to the animations page and pick the style you like for the entity card. I will choose this cool washing machine animation. Copy the entire section that starts at card mod. Back to the card, click on the code editor. Then paste it here at the bottom. Make sure to replace this entity with the one you are using with the card. Turn on the plug, you will see the animation is already working. By default, the animation turns on whenever the plug or the entity is on. But for this washing machine card, we want something smarter. We only want the animation to run when the washing machine is actually drawing power from the plug. That means we need to use the plug power sensor, which has a numeric value. We just need to switch this option to true, to change the trigger type of the animation to numeric, and use this section to point it to the power sensor. Most smart plugs have this sensor built in. Sometimes it's disabled by default, so you just need to enable it like this. Let's add the power sensor entity. The threshold is set to 0, which is fine, so the card will start animating as soon as the power draw is above 0. You can also change the operator the way you like. That's it for this card. Our washing machine card already looks much better and has cool animations. Let's animate one more type of cards. This time a light card. Start by adding a mushroom light card to your dashboard and fill in the fields the way you like. For the light card, don't add icon color, just leave it empty. Just like before, pick one of the light animation. Make sure it's based of a mushroom light card. Copy it and paste it at the bottom of the card. You just need to change the entity here to your light entity for this card. And just like that, your light card is animated and the animation's color is also synced with the light color. I'll be adding more animated card styles over time for other devices and cards types as well. Let me know in the comments section if you would like me to add something for you, and I'll be happy to do it. Finally, leave a like, subscribe, and have a nice day.